To get the... I need a car, don't I? No? Oh, okay. But yeah, they made it impossible to get money. I'm actually going to be revisiting that again soon, so we'll see what happens. Hey, you guys need to settle down. Alright, this is actually a mission. I gotta be careful how I drive. So hit the racers, not the pedestrians. Good to know. Yeah, you know what? I'm glad him hitting those doesn't count as my property damage. Come on, man. Okay, I didn't kill them all, but I didn't kill any of them, actually. I just gotta wait for one of them to get near me and I slam into them, and that's essentially how you win. In real life as well. When racing in real life, you just press your dash button and bam. That's how you win in all street races, which I do all the time in my Toyota Hyundai. Wow, I suck with car names. Hyundai Elantra is what I drive, because I'm a man. Yeah. 20 grand! God damn! Charlie Murphy. Yeah, I'm gonna return Jade Statue. Learn another skill. Maybe I'll learn like teleport takedown or something cool. Or like backflip ninjutsu crushing head stomper. Batman. Where's the action meter? It says action meter, and I don't know if that's my face meter or not. Oh wait, no, that action meter is your action. Never mind. I'm an idiot. I'm an IDOT. Wait, I always enter from this side. Why does somebody go down there? There we go. Perfect.
The boar, an important part of the collection. Ever think about going back to the States?
Well, it
Yes.
didn't work the first time. Why would it again? And the past goes with you wherever you go.
So you will confront the past rather than run from it.
Damn straight.
Yeah.
I wonder, is the past something we can defeat? Or is it something we simply come to terms with?
The second one.
What would you like to
The
learn?
second one. Since I'm already here, let's do this one. Double jump kick. That's awesome.
Have you learned nothing? Have you forgotten everything?
No, I haven't.
Your left wing.
That guy was on my
Your
right.
other left
Oh,
wing.
that guy was on my right. That was my right, definitely.
Someone please teach wing. Left from right.
Dude, it's hard when I'm like controlling the guy.
Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
Will do. Hey, I'm not covered in too much of my own blood. More of theirs, but whatever. Rewards unlocked. Double jump kick. Yes. That is awesome. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna do Bride to Be. See what happens. Excuse me. Excuse me. They see me drifting. They hate it. White and nerdy. There we go.
阿慧啊，過嚟過嚟啊，各位啊嚇！誒唔好放喺度啊嚇，凍晒啦！點解你嘥太時間啊？你知啊，我 Vincent 咧就嚟同 Peggy 結婚噶啦。
Yeah, you mentioned it the other day. Congratulations.
梗係啦，到時間啦嚇。阿 Peggy 咧就係想準備啲婚禮，咁佢又唔叫 Vincent，我會揾人車佢。 咁你啊唔介意啦嘛嚇
No
I'm game.
problem at all, Mrs. Chu.
Good thing I speak perfect Chinese or English. So does she, but she just speaks in Chinese.
我要多啲雞，你哋攞多啲雞俾我啊嚇！咪企喺度傻。
I teach guitar to Chinese people, and their grandmother isn't like that. Like, she doesn't speak English at all. Like, barely.
Hello, Wei. Thanks for driving me around.
Yeah, no problem. So, where are we going?
Yeah, that's
The
not
flower
Ping
shop.
also.
I still have to pick the color I want. You won't
Technically,
believe how
everyone
much
is
work
not
it is to
paying
get ready
every
for a
girl.
wedding. We've been planning for 8 months now, and there's still so much to be done.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
It better be perfect. My wedding has to be perfect.
Or else what? You'll leave him on the spot? Altar just like, I'm out!
So, Wei, do you have a girlfriend?
Nope.
No. My life, it wouldn't be a good idea right now.
Your
I'm
life
a cop.
is why
I
it'd
mean,
be good.
undercover cop, thank you.
You have to have someone you can be soft
I always forget to
with,
throw the
too.
undercover part in.
It's very important. If you're hard all the time, one day you'll forget how to be soft.
An erect
You
penis?
say so.
I do say so. You are family now, Wei. I have to look out for you, just like
Does
Winston.
that mean we're gonna
After
nail?
the wedding, I'm gonna find someone for you.
So how do you get on with Winston's mother?
She's a handful, but, you know, her bark is worse than her bite.
That I know.
She has a very
How about her meat cleaver?
Ha! That's worse than her bark
American
for sure.
accent.
No, she used to scare me, but
She
then one day...
doesn't sound
I was
white.
having a
Like, she
problem
sounds
with
white.
Winston.
She doesn't sound anything at all.
Wasn't paying enough attention to me, too distracted with work. And Mrs. Chu gave him a big lecture in front of the whole gang. I thought she might use that cleaver on him.
I like the idea of like this big ass triad gangster
And even though she still
Just
yells a lot,
like
I know
yelling
her heart is in the right
at her kid. I'm
place.
looking up
You're
who
lucky.
Peggy is right
My
now.
mother never liked my girlfriends.
I guess it's hard for the moms.
Well, I mean,
I
you know,
guess
I
it's
used to have a
hard
thing
for
for
moms.
blondes.
She sounds
too. That
Jewish.
drove her crazy. Bad enough if I went out with a Chinese American girl, but a whitey?
A whitey?
Well,
Oh!
it's good to know she was loyal to her people.
No, she's loyal to her prejudices more like.
That too.
Oh! Peggy, we're gonna finish this and you're gonna be in a perfect mood after. Good, I thought that little bump might like freak her out and she'd start stabbing me in the eye or something. Oh, my nose is itchy! Ah! Okay, now we're gonna... Yeah, just drive over the, meridian or whatever here, the curve.
Here we are.
Yes, this is where he is.
Ah, so good to see you again. Welcome, welcome.
I'm here to finalize the details of the flower arrangement.
Yes, yes.
Only 9 months. Or 6 months,
I'm just the driver.
I like that, I'm just the driver. Okay, now we gotta wait
I'm
for it
just
to
gonna
load.
change back and then we'll be done.
There we go.
Actually, there is one other thing. Black orchids. This probably sounds silly, but It was my mother's favorite flower, and now that she's gone, I was thinking that I'd love to have a black orchid centerpiece.
I'm afraid that's impossible. There are none to be found in Hong Kong.
Really? Well, I thought they had some down at the Garden Temple.
That's...
Well, yes,
But...
but they're not for sale. The other day, the CEO of Old Boy Trading wanted one for his daughter. He told them they offered Temple $100,000. They still say no. It's incredible, no?
A black orchid at a wedding guarantees that the couple stays together for the rest of their lives. Oh well, Wei, come on. We can go now.
Okay, I'm looking for... She looks half Asian. Lindsay Price is her name.
All right. Next, we need
plays
to pick
Peggy?
up the wedding cake.
So you got a
What
cake
about the
picked
orchids?
out.
Winston's in charge of that. He knows
Ah!
I'm very particular about cakes,
But-
but he promised I wouldn't be disappointed.
One sec.
I'm sure Winston... Hey, come back!
I'll be right back. Right back. Shut up, bitch. I needed that. Get in the car.
And your wedding has to be perfect.
Now you're getting it.
If that ruined her mood, I'm okay with it because I got a statue out of it. Oh, well. Somebody's stealing our wedding cake. Must be that asshole dog.
So
I
your
stopped
mother
the
took you to
robbery.
the States?
Yeah, you know, she loved Hong Kong, but she wanted to give me and my sister a change of scenery.
Oh,
like
were you
that.
being a bad little boy?
No, it was Mimi, my sister. Growing up in Old Prosperity, she started down a particular road and couldn't get off of it. And my mother hoped that moving to San Francisco would shake her up, change who she hung out with, you know?
Did it?
Nope.
Yeah,
Dog
for a
Eyes
while.
actually went with her, oddly.
But some habits die hard, you know? Some don't die at all.
Live
I'm
free or
sorry,
die hard,
Ray.
one might even say.
Winston mentioned that she passed away. I didn't mean to bring it up.
No, it's okay, Peggy. You know, it's good to remember where you came from and where you're going.
Okay, so...
Hey, isn't that a van from the wedding cake company?
Hang on.
What are you doing?
Yeah, the guy had the wrong address. Winston asked me to make sure the cake is delivered.
He's so thoughtful.
Yeah,
Wait,
awful.
slow down.
Peggy, if we don't catch that van, you won't have your special cake at your wedding.
What? Faster, faster, go faster.
Yeah, I saw that coming. Okay, I like this. He was like, okay, now you gotta get the cake. Immediately, go. What are you doing? Wow, that is a fast van. Oh, wow. I think that's the first time I've seen that property damage thing pop up, which means I was doing okay in this mission until just now. Do I have to do like a takedown or do I have to jump on the vehicle and like ditch her?
He's not pulling over.
You're a gangster. Do something. Get out there and get him.
It
Here.
does.
Here, take the wheel.
Careful, don't hurt my cake.
Don't worry.
Get that van.
I'm going
go.
to.
I'll follow you.
Okay, just... There we go. Of course, that counts as my damage.
Relax, I just want the cake.
What? This is my cake. Mine.
Look, I don't know what Dog Eyes is paying you, but it's not worth
Who's
it for a
Dog
wedding
Eyes?
cake.
I don't know no dog eyes. This is for
Yeah.
my wedding. My wedding is going to be perfect, you hear?
So, is
Perfect.
she actually stealing
You
it,
want
or...?
this cake, you're going to have to pry from my dead fingers, you hear? Ah! Ah, my cake!
Every time. So, is she still behind me? No, of course, when I get to the location, we'll be like, yeah, I was behind you the entire time. I'm just really, really ninja. Because I'm Asian. I guess. I don't know. Where am I going? Take that, bench. I don't even care. Boosh.
Tell Winston I got the cake.
Wow, that's great. I'll take it right to him.
Damn right you will, you bitch. Yeah. Like a ninja.
All done.
Thank you, Wei. Thank you. You know, it makes me think.
Uh-oh.
The
Yeah.
wedding just won't be perfect without that orchid.
We're
You
going.
sound way
Look
too.
out!
Look out for what?
I knew you'd understand. Do you have any
What's hitting
family here at
garbage
all?
into that?
No, not anymore.
Well, you're wrong, Wei. You have family. You have us.
Thanks.
Aw.
No, I mean it.
You
I know
white
Winston's
girl.
work can be rough, but it makes us a family too.
Yeah,
It's
I appreciate
he's
it.
in the gay
Man
gay
needs
trade,
brothers,
gay porn.
uncles,
Rough
and
gay sex.
sisters too.
Help me with that soft side.
Don't laugh. It's very important. You know, I could probably
truth be told,
set
you don't
up
need a
with
soft
him.
side. Soft is bad.
You're a good-looking man.
You need to be rough,
Thanks,
rugged,
man.
manly.
And I'm
That's
not
what
looking
girls
for
really
anything
need.
serious right
Confident,
now.
rugged
I
man.
wouldn't want it to reflect poorly on
Which
you.
is why I'm a lumberjack
Uh-huh.
and a musician.
You're still
apparently.
playing around, huh? Well, let me know if you ever change your mind. I know some nice girls.
Uh-huh. 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 Man, I wish I could turn on the radio, but the music is probably garbage anyways. I said this the other day. I was on the site Reddit there, and one of the things I said was that games like San Andreas and Vice City have set impossible
Wait here. I'll be right back.
standards for us. For me, in terms of gaming. Game music. Okay, so what do I do? Yeah, because look at my monkeyness. Look how much of a monk I am. Okay, so that's my slowest, so I might as well just go full tilt. Okay, here we go.
What are you
More?
doing here?
When energy flows among flowers, we are all everywhere. I am here and not here. I
Love
love
flowers.
flowers.
Ah, brother. So true, so true.
Sounds like a soft side has always existed. Okay, now for you. What do you want?
You don't belong here.
What is belonging, brother, when we're all part of the same cosmos?
I guess failure is impossible.
I like that. That's a good one. I do like that. Okay, so that room, yeah, I cannot go through that room. Here we go. This way. Oh, hey, look at that. It's a good thing I came this way. It's not where I had to go, but... Wait, what? Cool! Knock off Jay Jiggler jersey. I like that idea. Jay Jiggler! Okay, you, fast
Hey,
talk.
who are you?
Well, who is anyone when we are all each other, part of a single great organism that never dies?
Ah, brother. So true, so true.
That one was dumb. I really liked it though. So that was my first little like lock picking thing. I like that. That was fun. Okay, so it's called. I'm just gonna sprint. Ooh, those are pretty actually.
You stop right now.
Oh, the monks and their sacred fighting styles. Okay, okay. So that guy, that monk, apparently these are like Shaolin monks, I guess, although I've seen some Shaolin monk. They're not, they're scary.
Stop right there.
Do I have to? Whoa. Okay, so now I got 2. Come on. Oh wow, they're countering my attack. There we go. So that's you, and that's you. You know, just because I'm here, I'm also going to take out that monk in here, too. That was easy. Now my question is, can I just walk out, or do I have to fight these 4 now?
There he is! Over here!
Okay. Oh! Okay, come on, I need one of you to hit me so I can counter. Like that. Perfect. I need to get my health back. Oh! So these guys are like... Oh my god, did they train the same way I did? Okay, fine. We're gonna do it like this. I'm just gonna hold my hands out. And just counter everything. Okay, I haven't been countering, just countering, so... And he's all takedown, okay. I am a stream. Flowing. Water flows. But it also crashes. Be water, my friend. Be water. Come on. Wait, can I just... I'm going to totally just wear this for the rest of the game. If I can.
You got them? Oh, wait, thank you so much.
How can I say no? Peggy, do you have any Winston's clothes in the back? I don't think these robes gonna make the right impression.
What do you think about this?
Yeah, sure.
So we're just going to change in front of each other now? Okay, I'm game.
Now you asshole! I hope you crash! Say I'm driving!
Thank you, Wei. Thank you.
It was my pleasure.
Megadix.
If you're gonna be my sister, the least I can do is help out with your wedding.
Your mother would be proud of you.
I hope so. Sometimes I wonder.
No, I can see it. Life isn't perfect. It never is.
Aww.
You have a good heart.
Peggy,
Nope.
Who has
I
heart?
know. Women's intuition.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same with Winston. He talks tough, but underneath
Why I'm a
he's
cop.
very
I mean...
man. That's why I love him.
I'm a
thanks.
cop.
That's the secret. You do what you have to do, but you always remember your family.
Oh, no! I got
Remember
into the other...
people who love you.
Damn it.
Then
Yeah,
you'll
doesn't matter,
always
I'm
be
pretty high now
happy.
anyways. You're a rogue cop. That's why I have such a high cop level
What's
and
it
a low
like in
triad level.
America?
Less crowded.
I guess. Do you like it better here or there?
In some ways, I was more comfortable there, but it wasn't home.
So,
It's important to have a
I was a little
home.
homesick.
But I'm not sure.
homes are
You know,
lame.
Hong Kong.
Home is home.
Nah. Home is where you lay your enemy's head.
Thanks for being so helpful, Wei. I really appreciate it.
Of course.
Sometimes this wedding thing stresses me out. There's so much to get right.
Oh, wedding
and
is
you
so
only
hard.
get
This is
one
why I'm never
try.
getting married.
Don't worry, Peggy. It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, it's
Dog
so
eyes in the
nice to
wound,
find someone you
actually.
can really rely on. I can see why Winston likes you.
Maybe because Winston is actually gay. Come on. Boosh. Internal affairs, Winston's laundry. Oh, God. Oh, I do get the monk outfit. Perfect. I'm going to go put that on right now. Okay, where's... Now let's go Jade Statue. And then I'll do the wedding, and then I think I'll call it a night for this game. What time is it actually? Let me just quickly check. Oh man, it's midnight o'clock already? Jesus. Okay. I've been trying to get to sleep a little earlier and lead essentially a healthier lifestyle. Like even my snacks, I'm eating less snacks in general. Like this little thing of Doritos next to me is like half the size of what I normally would have. Which wasn't a lot to begin with, but you know, I'm just trying to be healthier. I already do a lot of exercise, now I just gotta... I really need to sleep better.